Hello and welcome to Don's PC Guide. In this guide, I'm going to show absolute beginners to Excel how to do a couple templates. So these templates, they're going to be pre-filled. All the calculations are already built into the program. All you have to do is fill out the values. So it's nice and easy. Literally anybody could do this as long as you have Excel. So we're just going to open up Excel, go to File, go to New, and then it'll show you all these templates. Now there's only going to be a few of them on the first page. The most important part is to search. These are the two I've opened recently. We're going to go and do a loan calculator. Let's just type out loan. Here we go. So, what kind of look do I want? Let's go for this one. Excellent. Now, nice and easy. If you ever want to print this off and you don't like the look of, like, say they put these people on, you can just take those off with cut. There we go, make it look a little bit more professional. Now let's say our loan amount is $500,000. So our interest rate is 4%. Oh, not 400. 4%. Loan period, let's say it's 25 years. There, so now it'll pull up every single payment, when you pay it, how much of that goes to principal, how much of it goes to interest, and how much of the principal you have remaining. And this is not an easy calculation, but Excel makes it so simple. There, that's an easy tutorial on how to use templates. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos.